Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace the rear seat on Ford Fiesta generation MK7 from 2008 to 2017. We have more than 200 videos on this vehicle, guys, because we'll be taking the whole thing apart. So if you need anything, just let us know. We'll try to make a video, subscribe, many more videos to come. So this is the bottom seat, and there is two clips holding the seat in place. Okay, let me see if we can get a view. Okay, right here now. Once we remove it, I'll show you exactly what it needs to be. Okay, you can see that black thing, okay, right here. That needs to be pulled towards the inside of the car. Ah, it clicked on this side. Okay, you can see. Check this thing out. Now, we're on the passenger side. Okay, it goes towards the inside. We have one more there, and this one goes to the outside. So both of them need to be counterclockwise pushed. And after that, you can go ahead and pull the whole seat out. The only thing holding is the belts now. Okay, you can see you need to get the belts out of the way. So you have three hooks on the back of the seat, one in the middle and two on each side. You need to push the seat towards the back and lift it up, okay, to get it loose. Okay, like that. Now it clicked on the front side, so we need to do the same thing that we already did to get it loose. Okay, perfect, right there, you can see. And let me show you, okay, where the hooks are. Okay, you can see one here, one over there, and one on the outside, and they clip towards the back of the seat. So now you can go ahead just and pull the whole seat out, and this one will be the whole procedure, guys, a short video. So if you need to remove it, you know how to do it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.